Hey, how you guys doing? It's your boy Prince coming back at you with a bass line lesson, and I'm just gonna show you an old bass line. I'm not gonna tell you who the artist is, so maybe you can just comment and let me know who you think the artist is, what song. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you this bass line. It's a very good bass line to get you accustomed to your fretboard and just moving along the fretboard freely. All right. So how about we just get into the lesson, right? Let's go. So I'm gonna show you the bass line. This is the bass line, and then I'll just break it down for you, and we can work it together. How about that? Okay. So bass line goes. Okay, simply that. So let's break it down. So the first note is in G, and then D, F sharp, G. So those four notes: D, F sharp, G. Right. So once you know that, this is how the first part goes. Just like that. Right. G, G, E. Right. So that first two hits is on the G, then the D, then the D sharp. So again, first two hits. Okay, so that's the first part. The next part is the G, F sharp, and E. So, right? Again, G, F sharp, E. Right? So you put those two together, and this is what you will get. Again. Get that? So you put that together, and then after that, you will have you go from the E to the D. So E is on your second fret on the D string. Your D string, second fret, that's your E. And then on your fifth fret, third string, which is your A string, you get your D, right? Right? E, right? So now if you put those three together now, this is what you will get, okay? One more time. Alright, so that takes care of that part. And then the next part will be where you have the C, E, D. So C, you know where your C is on your third fret, right? On your A string, okay? And E, okay? Right? So when you put all those four parts together now, this is what you will have. And we're getting closer and closer to the ending, okay? So make sure you're taking note. Right? So that's C, E, D, you gotta play it twice, right? You repeat it, okay? So, and then after that, you will have that's the F sharp and the G, right? sharp, that's on the 4th fret. On your D string, you have the F sharp, and your G, of course, on the 5th fret on that same D string. Right? That's your root note. That's where we started. All right. So let's put everything together now, and we can go and practice it. How about that? Alright guys, so let's do it 3 times with the metronome. Let's go, alright? Alright, so get on, practice, and we'll do this again. Another lesson coming up. So just keep practicing, you know, get the freedom of your fretboard, learn your notes, and you on your way in becoming a better bass player. Alright? Talk to you later. I'm out. Peace.